Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new technique-focused layout for the Hip Kit Club design team using the stunning February 2022 kits. I start by coding a white cardstock with clear gesso to prepare it for mixed media. Once everything is dry, I immediately glue the photos in the center of the page. I'm going to show you a little technique so that the photos blend perfectly with the background. This technique works perfectly well with the landscape photos or beach photos, for example. I use a roller so that the photos are well aligned and straight. And I leave a small space between each photo to make it more airy. When the photos are glued, I apply white gesso with the help of a large brush, making circular movements on the edges of the photos without going too far over the photo. You just have to apply the gesso on the edges, blurring the photo. Then, when the outlines is done, I apply a little more gesso by tapping the brush on the demarcations to whiten the outlines and thus make them blend with the background. And when the outlines are very white, I dry everything well. And the illusion is great, I think. We really have the impression that the photos are part of the background, and it's very easy to do. So I then decorate with flowers and leaves that I cut out of the Happiness Blooms pattern paper from the Happy Hearts collection by Pink Fresh Studio. So I make a cluster of flowers in the lower left corner of the photos and then in the upper right corner. Hip Kit Club's February 2022 kits look absolutely stunning. This is one of my favorite kits with all the flowers they feature and all its soft colors perfect for this early spring. They are composed this month of Pink Fresh Studio products from the Happy Heart collection and exclusive Hip Kit Club products from the Love Always collection that you will not find anywhere else. And if you like this kit, you can shop it on the Hip Kit Club online store. And if you don't want to miss any kits, you can subscribe to the main kit and you will benefit from free access to cut files. In addition to freebies, very months, and 15% of expansion kit purchases. The kits are really very full and everything matches so well. So I continue in my decoration and I add the title Just Love This Beauty, create from the alphabet puffy sticker and die cuts Pinterest Studio that I place below the photos and two butterflies here and there. So I then add cardstock stickers Pinterest Studio into the flowers, and then I decide to add pieces of yellow pattern paper to the bottom and top of my page to fill these spaces. And I decided to use Hip Kit Club's exclusive lemon sorbet paper basic from the cardstock kits because the yellow is less flashy and matches better with the rest. To include this paper, I tear the bottom of my page to have a slit, then I fold the edges to form a triangle and fold the edges again for a nice effect. And I distress the edges for an edge effect that I love. And I add some flowers to give me an idea of decoration and continue with the top part and do the same thing. I love doing this kind of things to fill any blank space you might have in a layout or doing it on purpose for the structure effect I love. And I also add some flowers. I really love floral layouts. I think it's really the ones I prefer to do. Do not hesitate to leave me a comment below if you have any questions about my layouts or how Epkit Club works. And if you like our videos, don't forget to activate the notifications bell to be notified of every new video. And of course, if you liked the video, put a little thumb up. Before gluing all of these flowers, I add a golden brad to hold the folded paper and to bring a little golden touch. Once everything is glued, I add a little ink to bring a little shine and color, but this ink is very pale, it doesn't see a lot, and it's perfect here. I use shimmer inklings, sun-kissed, included in the color kit. I apply the ink just below the flowers in a random way. I add some splashes to harmonize everything with same ink, and finally I also add splashes of black paint diluted with water to bring contrast. And here is the result a little closer. I hope I have inspired you in some way today. I love making these spring color layouts filled with flowers. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.